Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Marina. Welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing Roblox and we're going to be playing Royal Hyacinth Island, and as you guys can see, because now I just finished another one, so I just changed back. I'll show you guys the thing just now. It was on Halloween. Outfits like that. The third place was like the last round. Last round it was this one. So yeah, I'm gonna change that to Twin Princess. And then I'm gonna change this. Oh, light versus dark there. Okay, so I want to go shopping. I'm gonna do light and dark. So I'm gonna buy. No, I'm gonna try on this one. Ooh, it looks good on me. Okay. I'm gonna buy this. Okay. I'm gonna make one outfit and then I'm gonna make another one. Yeah. Let's go to dress up. Let's go to body. Hello. Oh no, my hair is so glitchy. I'm gonna go to wearing. I'm gonna take off my bubblegum, my relatives. Let me go to outfit. Let me go. Style is. There's only dark. Okay, let me go grab the nose. Let's keep it the light. Outfit. You know what I'm gonna do here? No, I'm just gonna do all because all of these actually quite light. Let me take off my skirt. Okay. This one seems cute. I'm gonna do this. Okay, go change the color. Okay, let's pick the lightest color. Go to the toughest. We still have lots of time. I think I'm gonna try. So, let me see this. Ooh, this one's cute. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this. Light. Okay, now I'm gonna go shopping to the dark because I want to see which one is going to be better. Well, I'm just gonna do the cheapest one because I'm a bit broke right now. Let's do this. Look, I'm not fully broke, but I'm a bit broke. Let's go to take off the green. Let's do the outfit dark. Go to the dark side. Okay, now I'm gonna take out this. But not this outfit. I'm gonna see what else there is. Ooh, this one looks cute. I'm gonna keep this to black. Let's go with the hairstyle. Let's change this to black. Black. What? Ooh, let me see this. Ooh, this one's cute. Okay. Okay, let's save this. Okay, fairy. White fairy, delete this. Oh no, I gotta do it again. Okay, never mind. Let's. Oh gosh, what if I like? Okay, let's get this. Outfit. Hairstyle. We're gonna change this to this. The color, some coloring. Go to outfit. I need cute. Body. I have to remove this item. Outfit. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I'm gonna go fairy. Ooh, this one's cute. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna say this to fairy. Okay, all done. I'm gonna see. Okay, I'm gonna do the fairy to this. You know what? I'm doing the light fairy. Well, I don't know. Like, I like both of these. I'll go for this one. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna go for this, but I'm gonna step because like my walking is like pushy. Oh. I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Like this one seems really cool, but it's not as dark or light fairy. You want me to put the dark fairy? I don't know what it's like. Fairy, light fairy. Like, I don't know, guys. What I'm gonna do, dark fairy. I need light. Okay, I'm just gonna do light here, guys. What do you guys think? You put in the comment section down below, because I don't know. I'm just gonna do light fairy. I don't know why, but I just feel like the light fairy is more on my side than the dark fairy. This girl seems really pretty, but it's a fairy, so it's supposed to have wings and a pants. I really like my little outfit. I feel like I'm not win. I don't know if I'm gonna win. Hey guys, so I just skipped the talking part, like people like to ask questions, because I felt like you guys would be bored if I showed you guys those stuff and I didn't want to stay bored. So yeah. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. I hope I win, because like I really love it. Quickly, I want to know who's gonna win. She wasn't Marina. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you, cute girl blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. If you're watching this video, I feel so grateful. Oh my gosh. Ooh, congratulations, everyone. Ooh, congrats. Anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.